So hello students, welcome to mathematics class. So as we were doing the linear equations in two variables, we have started that and we have also completed two exercises in this. Okay, so now we have also completed two examples in our previous class, isn't it? Example number 11 and example number 12. Now we are going to start exercise 3. Okay, third exercise, that is 2.3. So this is third, exercise 2.3. so in that we have total number of questions are 14. So I will be telling any 7 or 8 from that. Okay, so in this session we will be completing 4 to 5 questions. So listen carefully what we are doing, and you need to remember each and every step which we are doing. These problems, this exercise is based upon example number 12 what we have did in our previous class. So before that we have solved the word problems. Now we are going to solve directly we are going to solve the equations. Okay, so here you can see, here I have two questions taken. I have taken two questions here. Okay, so question number 1 is 7x minus 5 is equals to 2. He had given. Okay, this is first one given question. And second one given. What he had given? 5x minus 12 is equals to 2x minus 6. Okay, you can see here what is the difference between these two questions. It is in left hand side we have two terms and in right hand side we have one term. Am I right? Coming to question number 2, here in left hand side we have two terms and in right hand side also we have two terms, isn't it? So basically depending upon the terms we will be taking the difference between the questions. Okay, now coming to question number 1, which is very easy. I have already told you in your previous class. So whenever we are solving for any variable or any value, we need to first take the like terms. Okay, for solving any type of questions in equations, what we need to do? We need to first solve the like terms, and whenever we solve the like terms, then we will be getting the answer. So you can see here. Okay, hope you all understood. So here you can see what are the like terms here. Here we have 7x and 2x as a like term. Am I right or wrong? 7x and 2x are the like terms. Like we will be telling 5 apples and 3 apples. What is the addition of 5 apples and 3 apples? So totally you can add. But if I say what is the addition of 5 apples and 2 bananas, can you say total 7 apples bananas? No, we can't. Separately only we have to say, isn't it? We have only 5 apples and 2 bananas. Whenever I add, then I can make a bigger quantity, isn't it? 5 apples, 6 apples, totally 7 apples. So the word is combined, isn't it? 12 apples, 12 bananas. We can't add it. We can't say 24 apple bananas, we can't say. If we say 24 apple bananas, it means the meaning will be so different, isn't it? 24 apple bananas, the meaning will be different. Apples may be 24 and bananas may be 24 or anything else, isn't it? So these both are not like terms, apples and bananas. If I take only about apples, they are like terms. So that for solving we need to take, okay, here you can see 7x raised and 2x raised, isn't it? So these are like terms, x, these are like terms, and here also x, these are like terms, and these are constant coefficients, constant numbers, isn't it? So we have to take the like terms first. So here we have 2x in the right hand side and 7x in the left hand side. It means the address is changed, isn't it? There is a lot of difference between the number before equals to and after equals to, isn't it? So what we need to do now, we need to remove plus 2x, or we need to remove this 7x from left hand side and send right hand side. So here what I am doing, I am removing this 2x from right hand side and bringing this to left hand side to make the common terms, like terms at one side. Okay, so how I can do? So here plus 2x, if I want to remove this and if I want to make this 2x as a 0, I have to subtract by 2x, isn't it? So what I am doing, subtract 2x on both sides. Subtract 2x on both sides. Why I am subtracting 2x on both sides? Why? Because to make this plus 2x as 0, so we call that as additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of plus 2x? It is minus 2x, isn't it? So here what I am doing, 7x minus 2x minus 5 is equals to 2x minus 2x. What I am doing, I am subtracting 2x. Why only 2x I have taken? Why I can't take 3x, 4x, 5x? Why? Because for this plus 2x, if we want to make this as 0, if we want to remove this from here, you have to take minus 2x only, isn't it? Plus 2x minus 2x will become 0, isn't it? So because of that is the additive inverse. So here 7x, these both the terms become like, isn't it? 7 minus 2 is how much? 5x. So 5x minus 5 is equals to 2x minus 2x. 2x minus 2x will become 0, isn't it? Now again you can see here, I have to keep only variable here and remaining thing I have to send. Okay, I need to keep only variable. I want to find the value of that variable. So I need to keep this variable here and remaining terms I need to send. So for removing this minus 5, what should I do? Minus 5 plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 is 0. What is the additive inverse of minus 5? Plus 5. So adding 5 on both sides. So what it come? Minus 5 plus 5 is equals to 0 plus 5. Here we have 0, so 0 plus 5. You can see plus 5 minus 5 will become 0. So here I will get 5x is equals to 5 plus 0 is 5. Again you can see for x the 5 is being multiplied. So here I have to use multiplicative inverse. Okay, I can't make this as 0. What I need to do? I need to cancel this. Okay, so what I am doing here, 5 is multiplying, so I have to use multiplicative inverse, that is division. So divide 5 on both sides. You can see here this is separate term, because of that reason we have taken additive inverse, but this whole term is one single, isn't it? So 5 is being multiplied 2x. So as it is multiplied 2x, for removing that, what I am doing, I am just dividing. So 5x divided by 5 is equals to 5 divided by 5. So 5 by 5 is 1 and 5 by 5 is 1. When 5 divided by 5, we will be getting the answer as 1, isn't it? So x is equals to what we got? X equals to we got as 1, isn't it? Now let us do one more question so that you can understand it clearly. Okay, so you can see here what is the next question. The question is 5x minus 12 is equals to 2x minus 6, isn't it? So here we have two terms, in left hand side we have two terms and in right hand side also we have two terms. So what we need to do first, we need to arrange them in a proper way depending upon the like terms, isn't it? So what are the like terms? 5x and 2x are the like terms, and constantly minus 12 and minus 6, they both are like terms, isn't it? Now what I am doing here, in right hand side first I will check the variable term, that is 2x. What I need to do to send this plus 2x here, or to remove this plus 2x from right hand side, what I am doing, as it is plus 2x, I am adding it with minus 2x, isn't it? Isn't it? So subtract 2x on both sides. So what I will get? 5x minus 2x minus 12 is equals to 2x minus 2x minus 6. Hope you all understood, isn't it? Plus 2x minus 2x will become 0. To making this plus 2x as 0, we are just adding with minus 2x. So here you can see 5x, these both are like terms, isn't it? 5 minus 2 is 3x. Here we have minus 12 is equals to plus 2x minus 2x will become 0, and remaining is minus 6, isn't it? Minus 6. Now coming to these both, isn't it? Coming to these both, here we have constant and here also we have constant. It means these both are like terms. Now what we have to do? We need to keep the variable in left hand side and remaining thing we have to remove. So here minus 12 is been, okay, here minus 12 is been added to 3x, isn't it? I need to use the additive identity, additive inverse of minus 12. What is additive inverse of minus 12? Plus 12. If I add plus 12 to minus 12, then it becomes 0, isn't it? To make this as 0, what I am doing? I am just adding by 12. So adding 12 on both sides. So here I will get 3x minus 12 plus 12 is equals to minus 6 plus 12. You can see for this minus 12 I have added plus 12. Why? To make this both as 0, isn't it? So here I will get 3x is equals to 12 minus 6 is 6. As bigger number having plus symbol, so here I will be getting plus. So no need of writing symbol plus here. Again, do we got the answer? We don't got the answer. Again 3 is being multiplied to x. So for removing the 3 which is multiplied to x, what we need to do? We need to divide. That is, we need to use the multiplicative inverse of 3. What is multiplicative inverse of 3? By 3, isn't it? So divide 3 on both sides. So 3x by 3 is equals to 6 divided by 3. 3 by 3 is 1, that is directly will write x, and here 6 divided by 3 is 2. You can see 6 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. So what is our required answer? We will be getting 2 as answer, isn't it? So this is how you will find the value of the variable which is given in the question. Okay. So hope you all understood. What we are doing we are just using additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. If the number is being multiplied to the variable, then we are using multiplicative inverse, that is division. And when the number is being added or subtracted, then we will be using additive inverse. If there is a plus, we will be adding with minus, and if there is a minus, then we will be adding with plus, isn't it? So this is how you will solve the problem. You will find the question, find the value of x. Okay, so let us do few more problems so that you can understand this topic very easily. Okay, first one, second one, question is being completed. Now third and fourth one and fifth one, sixth one is also same. Coming to seventh question, you can see the questions third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This based upon question number 3, what we have did just now. So here only variables are being changed. So here given variables in the place of x as p, m, z, y, and numericals have been changed, and the remaining thing is same. Okay, now coming to question number 7, here given what he had given is 3x plus 4 equals to 5 into x minus 2. And let me write question number 8 also. Question number 8 is also same as question number 7, but it is being multiplied with, okay, multiplied on both the sides. Okay, so what he had given 3 into t minus 3 equals to 5 into 2t minus 1. So this is the question what he had given. Okay, now coming to the solution. Now you can see here in left hand side we have two terms, in right hand side we have again 2 terms. But what about 5? 5 is being multiplied to these both the terms x minus 2. So as we have bracket here, isn't it? We did in previous problem na? And similarly as we have bracket here, it means that 3 is being multiplied to this both t minus 3. So minus is dividing this t and 3. So because of this reason we have 2 terms here, and here also we have 2 terms. This 5 is being multiplied to this both the terms. Coming to the point, this is the same 3x plus 4x. First what we need to do, we need to remove the brackets, isn't it? According to Bode-Moss rule, we need to first remove the brackets. So here for removing the bracket, this 5 is multiplied, isn't it? 5 is multiplied to both x and 2. So 5 into x, 5x, plus into minus, minus. 5 2s are 10, isn't it? Now coming to the like terms, what are the like terms here? Here we have 2x and here we have 5x, isn't it? So which one is bigger, can you tell me? 5x is bigger or 3x is bigger? 3x is not bigger, it is smaller than 5x, isn't it? So here what I am doing, the smaller variable, okay, value, here I am removing from left hand side. So how I can remove? As we are having plus 3x here, so we will be adding that by minus 3x. Additive inverse of plus 3x is minus 3x, isn't it? So subtract 3x on both sides. Why I am subtracting 3x only? As 5x is bigger, 3x is smaller. So for removing this I am just subtracting. You can do here also. You can subtract by 5x also. Then you will be getting negative term here. So here 3x minus 3x plus 4 is equals to 5x minus 3x minus 10, isn't it? So what I did, plus 3x I am adding with minus 3x. So plus 3x minus 3x will become 0. What I will get? 4 is equals to 5 minus 3x is 2x minus 10. I have to keep the variable here and remaining thing I have to send. For sending that I have to remove this. How I can remove? Before 10 we have symbol minus. So I need to add plus 10 on both sides. Additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10 only na. So adding 10 on both the sides. So 4 what add? Plus 10 is equals to 2x plus 10. Minus 10, first we will write minus 10 and then we have added plus 10, so plus 10. So minus 10 plus 10 will become 0. So what is the remaining thing? 4 plus 10, 14 is equals to 2x. You can write this in order, reverse order also, that is 2x is equals to 14. Both are same. It means that 5 is equals to 2 plus 3 or 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Both are same only na. So like that. Now 2 is been multiplied to this variable. What I need to do? Multiplicative inverse, that is divide. So divide 2 on both sides. So what I will get? 2x by 2 equals to 14 by 2. So 2 by 2 is 1 and 14 by 2 is 7. Am I right or wrong? If you divide 14 by 2, you will be getting answer as 7. So what we got x value? We got x value as 7 here. Isn't it? 14 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. Similarly, coming to this question, you already know, first removing the brackets. First what we need to do? Remove the brackets. So this 3 is being multiplied to these both the terms and this 5 is being multiplied to these both the terms. So 3 into 3, 3t, plus into minus, minus. 3 3s are 9 equals to 5 2s are 10 into t, plus into minus, minus. 5 1s are 5. Understood? How? 3 into 3, 3 into t, 3t, plus into minus, minus. 3 3s are 9. Okay, equals to symbol. 5 2s are 10 into t, plus into minus, minus. 5 1s are 5. Isn't it? Now again we are taking like terms. We will check which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So 3t is smaller than 10t. These both are like 3t is smaller and 10t is bigger, isn't it? So what I am doing? Plus 3t. For plus 3t, removing plus 3t, I will be adding minus 3t. So that is subtract 3t on both the sides. So plus 3t minus 3t minus 9 is equals to 10 minus 10t minus 3t minus 5. Am I right? So plus 3t minus 3t is been removed from left hand side and added to right hand side. So what is the remaining thing? Minus 9 is equals to 10 minus 3, like terms, 10 minus 3 is 70 minus 5. 7t minus 5, not 70, 70, 7t, t for tiger, 7t. So here we should have only the variable in one side, remaining should be removed, thing should be removed. So for this variable, this minus 5 is been added, isn't it? So here I have minus 5. For removing this minus 5, what I will do? I will add plus 5, isn't it? Minus 5 plus 5 will become 0. So what I am doing here? Adding 5 on both sides. So minus 9 plus 5 is equals to 70 minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 will become 0, and 9 minus 5 is 4. As we have symbol minus for the bigger value, so we are taking minus is equals to 7t. If I write in an order, if I write variable left side and number right side, it does not happen anything, isn't it? I am writing in order. 7t is equals to minus 4. What I did? I have just written in a straight way. In left hand side I have taken 17, right hand side I have taken minus 4. Just now I have told you 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, or 5 is equals to 2 plus 3. Equation symbol does not changes the value, isn't it? Now 7 is being multiplied to t. We have to use multiplicative inverse, that is a divide, isn't it? So divide 7 on both sides. So how much I will get? 7t divided by 7 is equals to minus 4 divided by 7. So 7 divided by 7 I will get 1. T is equals to 4 divided by 7. I will be getting in decimal form. So no need to write. You just write 4 divided by 7. So this is how you can solve the variables. Okay. Hope you don't have any doubts, isn't it? So it is very easy. You can understand it clearly. I have written clearly on the board, isn't it? So this is how you can solve the problem. Okay, it is very easy, but you need to know about the additive and multiplicative inverse clearly so that you can get very easily. Now coming to question number 9 is same as question number 8. 10th one is also same. Coming to 11th one, I will tell 11th one and 13th one. Okay, I will be telling 11th one and 13th one so that you can do the problems easily. Okay, these are very smaller, and this one 11th and 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, these problems are based upon example 12, what we have just discussed in our previous session. Let me first tell you example number, question number 11. Okay, question number 11. What is question number 11? 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 equals to 2 into 7 plus x. So what I said you, whenever we are writing the question, we need to check the symbols. So 15 into x minus 1, after that we have plus 4 into x plus 3, and after that we have 2 into 7 plus x. So this one what we need to do, we need to solve and we need to find the value of x. Okay, so how? What we will do first? We will remove the brackets first, isn't it? First what we will do, we will remove the brackets. We will check whether the question consists of bracket or not. If it is consisting of bracket, we will remove the bracket. So here we have brackets. So first we need to remove the bracket. How? This 15 is multiplied to both the terms. Similarly here 4 is multiplied to both the terms, isn't it? And similarly here 2 is multiplied to both the terms, isn't it? Now first 15 into x, 15x, plus into minus, minus 15 ones are 15, isn't it? Now plus into plus, plus 4 into x, 4x, plus into plus, plus 4 threes are 12. Am I right? Similarly is equals to this one also, 7 into 2, 2 into 7, 14, plus 2 into x, 2x, isn't it? Now coming to the like terms, what are the like terms? So this, okay, these are, as these all are like in left hand side, these all are lying in left hand side, then no need to what? Take an additive inverse. Whenever they are lying, okay, opposite sides of the equal to symbol, then only we have to take additive inverse. As they are lying one side of the equal to symbol, so we can directly add or subtract. Okay, so these both are like terms. I am writing in an order: 15x plus 4x minus 15 plus 12. Okay, symbols won't be changing. Why? I am just writing in an order, like terms, okay, beside each other. Okay, so after equal to, if we are changing, then only we can take additive inverse. Now we can directly add 15 plus 4, 19x, minus 15 plus 12, so 15 minus 12 is 3, isn't it? 12, 13, 14, 15. So here bigger number consists of minus symbol, so minus 3 is equals to 14 plus 2x, isn't it? 14 plus 2x. Now what we have to do? We need to check the like terms. Here the like terms are being, okay, present opposite side of the equal symbol. So here we have to first check which one is bigger and which one is smaller. 2x is smaller, so I am removing this. How I can remove? Plus 2x, I will be adding minus 2x. Okay, subtract 2x on both sides, so 19x minus 2x minus 3 equals to 14 plus 2x minus 2x, plus 2x minus 2x is 0, 19 minus 2 is 17x, minus 3 is equals to 14. Again here we have minus 3, so what we will do? We will be adding plus 3 on both sides. So you know what to do later. So adding plus 3 on both sides, so 17x minus 3 plus 3 equals to 14 plus 3. So 17x plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0, 14 plus 3 is 17. Here 17 is being multiplied. So we have to use multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? That is divide. So here we are dividing by 17. Ones are, isn't it? 17 by 17, 1. 17 by 17 is 1. So like this, you have to solve such type of problems. Hope you all understood. So in our next session, we will be doing few more problems. Okay, so thank you.